Hello and welcome back to our channel, Kingswood Tech Videos. JP here, and I have today a bit of a treat. I've got the Huawei Matebook X Pro here. This is the 13.9 inch screen version, 35 centimeters for those in new money from corner to corner. It has the Intel 8th generation i7 processor, 1.8 gigahertz of power on there. This one has the 8 gigabytes of RAM. There is a bigger brother with a 16 gigabyte version. It's got the 12 gigabyte solid state drive, so it's going to be pretty quick. There is a smaller 256 gig version on that. It has a 3K touchscreen, Windows 10 Pro as standard, 178 degree viewing angle, 91% of the screen is viewable with only a little 4mm bezel all the way around the outside. Apparently it's very stylish and has a claimed 12-hour battery life when watching videos. Now that is good. It also has a pop-up camera, fingerprint login, the Dolby Atmos system, a couple of USB ports, USB 3s that is, and a HDMI. Right, let's have a look inside the box and see what we got. Oh, I've taken the cellophane off, but and there's a sticker. This looks good, this looks good. One Huawei Matebook X Pro. Also have two little boxes in there, if you can see that. This presentation is very nice. Right. One box, two box. Anything else? No, nothing else in there. But I'll tell you what, that is a nice bit of cardboard there. It would be a shame to send it off to recycling. I think I will keep it. Anyway. Right, let's have a look inside these boxes and see what we get with our Huawei Matebook X Pro. We get a plug, and this plug has a USB-C adapter on the back of it, so that's quite neat and usable. This will be able to have, yes, and one, it looks like USB-C cable. Good heavy duty one there, and we have an adapter as well. This adapter has a USB 3 port there. It has a HDMI, has a another USB 3 and a serial port on there. So that gives you plenty of choice and scope there. It also has warranty card and an instruction manual, which nobody ever reads, do you? I don't anyway. Not until something goes wrong, but hey. So that looks good. So let's have a little look inside and unwrap the Huawei Matebook X Pro. Oh, it's light, it's nice and light, it is nice and light. Now that is nice and light. That is thin, can you see that? Look how thin that is. Let's open her up and see what we got. Oh, there's another bit of plastic inside, and that reveals what can only be described as a very stylish and wonderful looking laptop. I can see from here the fingerprint recognition button, normal QWERTY keyboard, everything you would expect. Touchpad, screen does look fab. It does look fab there. Okay, let's have a little look on the side. So we've got a USB 3 port on the side there. We've got 2 more USB-Cs there, and it looks like we've got an audio jack as well. And that's it as far as ports on the machine. So obviously we're using the adapter here. I would use the USB C straight out of there to go to an adapter, then go off to the HDMI into a second screen, because I do like using a second screen myself with a laptop. But hey, when you're out and it's mobile, this is nice, it's light, it's small, it is fabulously looking. So this is the Huawei Matebook X Pro, and hopefully you get to see one in the flesh very soon. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, if you'd like to see more, if you'd like us to do a demonstration on it booting up, how it works and everything else, leave a comment in the section below on our YouTube channel. Additionally, you might want to consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. If you do, don't forget to turn on that bell, and you'll get notified next time we talk about some new products. Thanks for watching.